Hi everyone, I'm going to do a tutorial for Dipiri by Zaza. So what I'm going to show you is only the intro, the main progression for the song, and the scales in between you'll have to make up your own scales because it's going to be very difficult for me to show you how Manu is doing the scales. I can't even play it the way he does in between. So as long as you know the main progression, you can do whatever you want to do in between. So to start off with, the song is played at the key of G sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your one here, this one, G sharp. So let's play the intro. Okay, so the intro starts from 1, it's okay, so it's 1 4 3 2 1 6 7 1 2 1 2 3 4, then 5 5 5 5 6 7 1 1 7 6 5, then the song starts. Okay, then when you start playing the song, let's play the song. Okay, all right, so it starts from it's 6 6 4 6 6 5 2 5 5 4 1, is it 4 or no? Okay, but anyway, this is how the song goes. It's then in between you can do whatever scales you want to do. So it's okay, so it's 6 4 6 6 5 2 5 5 4 1 4 4 3 1 3 3 4 1 4 4 5 2 5 5 5 2 5 5, and then you do whatever scales you want to do in between. Okay, and obviously the next part is the chorus. Okay, so the song is not that difficult. So let's go to the chorus. So that's the last part I'm going to do. So it okay, so it you start from 1 1 1 1 1 6 4 2 2 1 1 1 1 1 6 4 2 2 6 6 6 6 6 5 2 5 5. Then 1 1 1 1 1 6 4 2 2. Then you start from 5 to 6, then back to 5, 3, 2, 5, then you finish at 1.